Today, we've got some fruity fun Disney pins to open. So let's get cracking. Hello, all my explorers, and welcome back to Loren's Adventures Out There. And if you are new, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. My name is Loren. I'm with Castles, Capes, and Clones, where we discuss everything in the Disney universe. We do unboxings and hauls, pins, box swaps, Disney news, Disney reviews, and more. So if that sounds fun to you, we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Okay, so we have this box of what we're calling Fruity Fun Disney pins, mystery pins, and who you can get. It's interesting, like you get a lot of the Pooh characters. You got Pooh, Piglet, Tigger, Roo, Eeyore, and then randomly we got I was focusing because my face is in there. Dumbo and Baymax and Stitch. There we go. And Pooh is dressed as a watermelon. And I think Piglet is a pear. And Tigger is an orange. And Roo's a lemon, Eeyore's a pumpkin, Dumbo is a strawberry, no, an apple, Baymax is a strawberry, and Stitch is a pineapple. Alright, so I am in a collaboration with Karen from Disney Inside Andy and Cammie from Key to Disney, and kind of on the down low, Allie and Pete from Two Tiny Wings. They had opened their pins, but, you know, we're going to kind of look at each other's traders. And then after that, if we still haven't traded with anybody, if anybody wants to trade with us, you can do that too. So, but the fun of the collaboration is that amongst us, we hope to at least get the pins that we want. So anyway, great channels. I'm linking them all below. So let's go ahead and start looking at who we have. Okay, box number 1. I have 6 boxes. Okay, so let's go ahead and, you know, I'm wondering, they sealed the box. I'm wondering, I don't think these are Loungefly. I think these are that recycled set that Box Lunch does. And so I think this is, these are exclusives. Yeah, even the bag is different. It's more like the Disney bag. Okay. Let's take a look at who we... Oh, it's actually fairly sizable, from what I can tell. Okay, who is this? I have a feeling it's Tigger. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! It's Tigger! How cute is he? And he's in a pink... Oh, he's a peach! That's what he is. I thought it was an orange. But no, he's a peach. That's cute. That's really cute. And the size of it is pretty good. Now, I don't collect Tigger, but I know that Pete is one. And I don't know if you got a Tigger in your fruit set. But if you did, then... if you didn't, then he's yours. Okay. Now, that make it so hard to get into. So these are looks like official Disney pins. No, they're not. They are. I can't tell, but they've got a Look at this. The waffling is a recycling symbol. I've never looked at these pins from the back, but they've got like the non Mickey head stamp. Pin back, and but they have the Disney logo. So these are officially licensed pins, and I believe that they are Amazon box lunch exclusives as part of the recycling set. Okay, come on. Let's see if this will open now. Okay. But I like the size of these pins. This is a nice size pin. Okay, so come on. I want Dumbo so bad, or Roo, or Piglet. But I know that I think Karen has a Piglet. Okay, who is it? Uh-oh. Spaghettios. Alright, well, another Tigger Trader. Okay. Next we have All right, let's hope for not another Tigger. I think this is going to be different. It seems a little bit smaller. Okay, who is this? Yay! Dumbo. Look at how cute he is as an apple. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. Okay, I love that. I love that. I love me that. Alright. Next we have... Okay, come on, Roo. Come on, Roo. Come on, Roo. Okay. Never wants to come out of the bag. Okay. Alright, who is it? Baymax! Oh, I want to hear him too. As a strawberry. How cute! Okay, Roo or Piglet. Or Piglet or Roo. Kangaroo. Okay, come on. Come on. Please. Reveal thyself. Okay. Oh, always get caught on the bag. Okay, who is it? Oh, another Baymax! Alright. I know Allie loves Baymax, so I don't know if you have Baymax, but you have at least one now. Woohoo! Okay. Last box. Come on, Roo or Piglet. Or at least I know that I have a Piglet. Okay. Oh, it's a Stitch. Alright, I don't really... He's so cute! I don't really collect Stitch. So that will go up for trade, Cammy or Karen. Let me know if you need... I have a Tigger, a Stitch, up for grabs. And then unless Allie has a Baymax, then yeah, that's it. But if Allie has a Baymax, then I have one for trade. All right, that is it, people. I hope that you enjoyed yourself. Which one is your favorite pin in this grouping? Let me know. Otherwise, if you haven't already, we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Visit us on all of our socials down below. Visit our website at www.castlescapesandclones.com. Thank you so much, and we will see you later. Bye.